What's up, people? How you doing? Finally, we here.
Daddy, I had to make a fire to make a fish bowl.
Okay, you go ahead and finish it. Oh, as you see, we just camping here a little bit. We are in the field of sugar cane, and we finally reached here to this small but very interesting historical iron bridge. That's the name, Ponte De Ferro, or Puente de Hierro in Espanol, guys. All right. So let me tell you a little bit of history of it. Ponte De Ferro, or the iron bridge, was inaugurated, you know, in the 1999. It was part of the Carril Fullingness Railroad, which started in Campinas and reached where the city of Cósmopolis is located right now. That's where we are right now, guys. You know, we passed the Americana and we reached into this city to find out, to show you this, guys. You know, the structure was adapted for the use of automobilists in the early 1960s. However, it was abandoned, you know, and followed the decade, you know. Concrete, after some renovation, the bridge is functional and attracted several tourists and people like us, guys, like us.
Let me disarm you. I'm not trying to own you. I just wanna know what it feels like to have your body so close. Let me absolve you of the past that controls you. I just wanna know what you look like without a weight on your soul. I know somewhere we could get away. If you wanna find another place, love, disappear and never leave a trace. I'll take you anywhere you want. So let me disarm you. There's an army I'm fighting around your heart. Let me disarm you. 'Cause baby, I just wanna love who you really are. Who you really are.
Forget to keep safe the natural environment. Don't throw garbage. Keep the beauty of the natural environment on the planet Earth, right, guys? For us, this is it. 35 kilometers until here. As you saw it before on the road, you know, all the shots. Now we gotta hit back home, all right, guys? Nothing else to say.